Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So glad to have you. Please like and subscribe for the latest perfume reviews, hauls, body care, fragrance, that type of thing. So in this video, I would like to complete my review of the Prada Candy line. I've already done a review for 4 of the other fragrances. I will link that video so you can check that out in case you haven't done that. So without further ado, let's jump in. First fragrance is Prada Candy Night, and that is what the box looks like. And I actually just got the rollerball in this because I really wasn't sure about it. Before I purchased the big bottle, I just wanted to try it. So let me read you the scent notes actually. It says, Prada Candy Night Eau de Parfum captures the unbound freedom found after dark, introducing a world of rich possibilities. Scent notes are bright bitter orange and vivid iris, patchouli, musk, and tonka bean. A seductive overture of rich cocoa absolute ensures irresistible depth. So this is, it's so interesting. It's definitely like a sort of like musky, floral, like sophisticated scent, and the vanilla sweetens it up for sure. Cocoa, there may be a hint of cocoa there that sort of gives it a little bit of depth, but more musky, more nighttime, sort of like a heavier scent, which the name implies, Prada Candy Night. The performance on this was pretty decent. A few hours later, I could still smell it, so I don't have anything bad to say about it. It's probably not my favorite. Maybe it's just a little too musky and spicy and floral and heavy for me right now, but it really just depends on what mood I'm in, to be perfectly honest, because that can change from day to day, week to week. So that is Prada Candy Night. And next I have Prada Candy Sugar Pop. Very cute packaging with the pink, blue, and the yellow and the white. And I knew I would love this, so I actually went ahead and got the large bottle. Blue top, white accent here, and then it's like this yellow mustard color on the bottom. And the scent description, Prada Candy Sugar Pop takes the addictive energy of the Prada Candy family and dips it into a smooth, sparkling green citrus, more crisp than sweet. It's soaked in irony. Delicate notes of peach and vanilla mingle with shiny apple and top notes of vert de bergamot and green citrus. So this one smells like a snack. I get very sweet, very youthful. Get the vanilla, and there is this fruity brightness to it as well. But this, out of the line, this one smells more like a snack, like a gourmand cookie type of scent. But you do get the fruity and then just a hint of floral. But this is, if you like sweet gourmand scents, you would probably really like this. Very light, youthful, great for daytime, or it's sort of bright. But yes, I'm really loving this, and so glad that I went ahead and purchased the large bottle because I really am enjoying this. Love it. So that is Prada Candy Sugar Pop. And next I have Prada Candy L'Eau, or L'Eau. That is what the box looks like. And this is what the bottle looks like. I got the mini. It's got like this blush colored label here and then a black top. So the scent notes are: expand your yum factor when you wear Prada Candy L'Eau. A tempting fragrance for women released by Prada in 2013. Delicious accords combine with flowery notes to create a scandalous scent that draws accolades where you choose to wear it. It's got Italian citrus, I can't talk today. While at the heart, there's sweet pea and a playful innocence. Caramel and white musk bases finish off this eau de toilette, leaving your skin lightly scented for hours. And when you get the mini, you take the whole top off. But this one is definitely like a multi-dimensional fragrance. I definitely get caramel and musk. It's a little odd. Yeah, it's a little odd. Not as playful as the Prada Candy Sugar Pop and some of the others like the gloss, and it's okay. You get the musk, you get the floral, you get the caramel. The performance on this, it was okay. After about an hour-ish, it started to fade. But yeah, it's just okay. So would I repurchase this one again? Probably not. But if you enjoy florals and you enjoy musk and caramel, you may want to just maybe get a sample of this, because it is quite odd combination. So I'm not sure how I feel about this, but I probably, once I use this, I probably won't be repurchasing this one. But the packaging is really, really cute on that. So thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, you know that I'm praying that you and your families are safe and well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.